Good morning! Let's pack a healthy school lunch. Now let's add colorful fruits.
Hi friends! Today we're making yummy apple peanut butter bites.
First, cutting apple. Now spread yummy peanut butter on every apple slice.
Let's add colorful fruit and crunchy granola. Let's make a healthy rainbow snack.
Fruits help us grow strong and healthy.
Thank you, Papa. I'll choose healthy snacks.